was pretty mental. We were just caught in the earthquake in Lombok. We were eating in a restaurant about 8 o'clock, 8:30, and the whole roof started to shake. So everyone ran out of the restaurant. From all the restaurants on the street, we were probably 100 metres from the sea, and everything settled down, and then panic struck, and everyone just started running up the streets and motorbiking up the streets. About 2,000 people screaming tsunami, tsunami. So we jumped on a wall, pushed the kids on a wall, and somebody said, it's not high enough, I'm trying to make it to the house opposite. So we ran across the street, climbed another wall, and put just on the roof of a building, and eventually everything calmed down. Then we went and got our bags and realised that the risk of something happening again was probably still quite big. So we managed to flag a guy driving past in a flatbed truck, and there's about 6 of us, 6 adults and about 3 or 4 kids, and he managed to take us somewhere high, about 3 kilometres outside of Kuta, and we found a group of other people who started a fire, and everyone's now gone back down into Kuta because the policeman said it's safe. But we don't want to put the kids through that again, so we've stayed up here, top of a hill about 3 kilometres outside of Kuta, just with the fire going, kids all asleep, hoping to get a flight out of here tomorrow. Pretty scary. Fingers crossed.